Thermostat, I'm pretty sure, is no good. So you ended up getting the thermostat and the gasket. Okay, this thermostat is wedged in. That's often the way with them. You can't get them out, so what I gotta do is actually collapse it. I ran into this before. It will come out, but you gotta just collapse it. Sometimes these can be just miserable. This is kind of miserable. Oh well. Okay, I still have a piece of it in here. It came out in pieces, so I gotta pull this out and then I gotta clean things up. Okay, the thermostat, you put it in here and you see you can't get it wrong on these because of this neck. This fits in here like so. If you put a thermostat in backwards, it won't work, but these you can't get wrong. There's a boss in here where this sits too. So you put the thermostat in first, then the gasket on top of that. Then the base sits this way. I had to take this apart because my stupid camera didn't record. And of course I use this stuff on it, anti-seize. This stuff to me is like Frank's red hot sauce. I put that shit on everything. Put this one on. Okay, there it is. This is ready to go back on the tractor with the new thermostat. You got the thermostat housing up. Oh, it's time for a gasket. Frank's red hot sauce. I can still get the bolt in for the tightener, I think. Of course, I changed my little piece of hose in between. Got exactly a book spec, so it should be perfect. And I believe it is. I like these better than a slotted screwdriver. I'll have to maybe get in and tighten this up when it's been running for a while, but that's no big deal. There, thermostat's finished.